Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to the center of my universe. Perhaps the world does revolve around me. No, it doesn't. But your house should definitely revolve around you and support you and your family. Hi, my name's Erica Meyer, and I'm an architect who's obsessed with Feng Shui. And I want to share my viewpoints of it and how you can use it in your own home. And in today's video, we're going to cover the center of your home and what it means to your health. And we all want a strong, healthy life that then supports the rest of our endeavors in this world. So, welcome. Let's first talk about that Feng Shui compass. As an architect trained in North America, it is industry standard that we default to north at the top of the page. So when I started my Feng Shui journey in 2007, it was confusing because the traditional Feng Shui compass has south at the top. So I have spun that around for you, and all of these videos are to help you understand that compass and improve each sector of your home. Then you can decorate with purpose and meaning. The more that you understand the energy that is potentially within your home and how you can maximize that. So let's go through the compass really quickly. And I like to use the 9-square grid, which in traditional Feng Shui is called the bagua. And again, mine is just spun around 180 degrees, so north is at the top. There are 5 elements that you can kind of see with these squares. They represent earth, water, fire, growth, and metal. At the top in the north is water. And that is our place where it is most secluded. It is your private area, and you choose the path where this water will flow to. You decorate with flowing designs, dark colors, and blacks, blues, the color palette, which speaks to you. Then going down into the southwest, which is also another earth element sector, you've found your love that you're going to cuddle up with through the long, dark night. Those colors can be like warm sunset colors. Then we move to our east sector. So as that sun has now rising in the eastern horizon for the entire planet, we check in on our family, in our community, make sure everything's okay, and we help everybody grow. So in the east and southeast is a sector for growth. The colors are greens. Images of trees and vertical rectangles are items that you want to think about in this area. And then finally in the southeast, as we're getting the most warmth and the most sunshine in that area, that's where we're going to be prosperous. And our gardens will be abundant. Inside our homes, we can mimic with greens and beautiful floral colors. And that brings us then to today, the center of our 9-square grid, which is earth. And this earth area, we want to glow. I just found this alabaster fruit bowl, which is exactly what I wanted for this space. I've had a darker ceramic piece here for years, which was a wedding gift, and it's lovely. But now it has found a home in the northeast sector, which is also an earth element. Let's talk about what's typically in the center of our homes. A lot of North American homes, there's a lot of structure or circulation or rooms that don't need windows. Like right above me is a bathroom with no windows. Below me is a basement with storage. You'll see in the floor plan of my home, right behind me is our garage. And right about here is the center of my home. And so what's most important for any home is to make sure you are clean and organized. In future videos, I'll show you like how I organize my pantries. But in today's video, we're just going to cover the high level items. So just know that I love organizing, and those cabinets, all of my cabinets deserve a video in themselves. I love them. So let me show you first how to find the center of your home. And I'll do that with the first apartment that I had, which I had professionally Feng Shuied, which you can see here on the floor plan. And what you first need to do once you get your floor plan is find the outermost points. And you'll see that I put in north in this upper corner here. On the color compass on the right-hand side, this is north here. And what I can do is I'm going to just turn this guy 45 degrees and then move him. Once you find the center of your home, that's where you put this compass. And so we'll just slide this compass over to meet the middle of that. It's close enough. And you can start to see that yellow area. That is the health area of this color compass. So we'll draw like a quick circle around here, see if we can get that to look nice. And then we'll take the compass away. For this apartment, all the colors should blend together. Each area of your home, although you'll have anchor elements like water or earth, always combining those 5 elements. We're not going to just use one single element that throws the energy too far off. So in the center area, you could see I had just a cabinet, right? So that cabinet needed to be clean and organized. Now, in the second home, north was at the top of the page and our front door was facing south. It was an easy translation. And we hired our Feng Shui consultant once again to come in and find the center of our home, which you can see here with these red lines, the center of the home. And then her notes are layered underneath there. Then we can put the color compass right on top, and I will draw that circle again. Okay, so there's the center of their home. I drew it a little off, but it's fine because, again, all of these elements are blending together. But what you see here is I've got a pantry, and then this area, a lot of structure, and there was a cabinet in there. So basically, we just need to keep the circulation clean. Now, in the next home, I don't have a floor plan, but the center of the home was right about here within the kitchen. And then this stairwell. So each one of that's the center of the home. And then within our corridor, it's probably right in the center. So it was important to keep that corridor clear, keep the stairs clear. I want clean arteries. So don't we all, right? This house, we knew that north is at the top of this image here. South, our front door is in the southern sector. So I can quickly take the color compass. Take the color compass, place it in the center where those 2 red lines cross. I'm going to draw just a circle around and then move my compass back over. And you can see here, this area is my garage. So I need to keep my garage clean. Here are the cabinets right behind me. And then we have a closet here. Everything within this area, it's still circulation path. It's still storage. So it's a good idea, if you're going to be minimalist somewhere within your home, perhaps it's the center where you're keeping things clear and flowing and glowing. We talked about the center of your home is typically either circulation or rooms that don't need windows, storage, or its structure. But you also might have an office in the center of your home because technically they don't need windows. I hope you do have an office with a window. But if you don't, then we're going to talk about that in future videos. You're going to use your artwork to create a view and vision. Use that trick anywhere where you feel like claustrophobic and tight. Start looking for artwork that gives you expansion. And then if you do have a room rather than circulations, that is where you can start decorating with earth elements, earthy neutral tones or elements such as alabaster. If you've got a fruit bowl, oh my gosh, that thing's heavy with the fruit in it, stone on purpose, flowers to brighten. I also read in one of my Feng Shui books that you want to put things in your space that bring you joy. And I do have a little lucky kitty that is often moving, and he brings me joy. I'll show you one other. This little find brings me joy. I found it in an antique shop long ago, and I just think it's hilarious that these are the measuring spoons, and they are the flowers of this potted plant that's always been in my kitchens. And then also you can see that I've got bright orange objects because fire creates earth and earth abundance. So I've got a flame red tea kettle, and then also I've got a kettlebell. And this is me trying my tiny habit reminder that when I'm making coffee in the morning to get a couple reps in. I'm working on it. Tiny habits, a little bit day by day, they add up. If you go to Pinterest, I have a board that is specifically for the center of your home. It's got lots of warm earth colors to glow up the center of your home. Have fun with this. And then in the next video, we're going to go to the northwest sector of our home, which is about travel and our ancestors and metal. If you do have an all gray house, ta-da, it can probably keep working there. So I look forward to showing you that in the next video. See you then.